Welcome to a brand new explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because, look, we're going to unpack something that could completely transform the way you work. If you spend any part of your day staring at spreadsheets, trying to wrestle raw data into submission, well, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're exploring how integrating Claude into Microsoft Excel can automate those tedious, time-consuming tasks you have to deal with every single day. But before we get into the nitty-gritty technical details, let's just address the elephant in the room. There's this massive anxiety floating around offices right now. You hear it at the water cooler, you see it all over LinkedIn. Is AI going to take my job? And I'm talking specifically to you, accountants out there, HR folks, sales teams, anyone who relies on manual data entry to just keep the lights on. It's a completely valid fear when you hear about artificial intelligence processing millions of rows of data in literally seconds. But here's the reality, and it's actually incredibly empowering. AI is not here to steal your job. It's here to banish the repetitive drudgery of your job. It's going to turn you from a manual data cruncher into a highly efficient, strategic professional. Think of it not as a replacement, but as the ultimate digital assistant, one that never sleeps, never complains, and honestly, never misses a decimal point. Okay, so let's dive into this. Here's our agenda for today's evolution of efficiency. We're looking at setting up Claude in Excel, automating your daily routine, effortless financial reconciliations, building instant data dashboards, and finally, working smarter with AI. Right, so kicking things off with Section 1, setting up Claude in Excel. Now, if you're worried you need a computer science degree to get this running, please don't be. The gateway to this tech is unbelievably simple. It literally takes 4 steps. If you've ever downloaded an app onto your phone, you can absolutely do this. First, just open the Developer tab in Excel. If you don't see it, right-click your ribbon, customize it, and boom, it's there. Second, click on Add-ins. Third, open the store. And fourth, just search for Claude by Anthropic and hit Add. That's the whole shebang. It functions exactly like an app store. Once it's added, you've got a powerhouse AI model sitting right there inside your spreadsheet, ready for your commands. Moving on to Section 2, automating your daily routine. This is where things get really fun. We're tackling those foundational, time-consuming data prep tasks that just eat up your entire morning. Think about your current workflow for a second. The agonizing manual work, writing complex VLOOKUPs, manually bolding headers, highlighting cells, just trying to clean up messy formatting. Now contrast that with Claude. With just one simple text prompt, you can instantly format a raw data set, apply bold headers, add borders, and generate perfect formulas to pull data from a master sheet. It is quite literally like having a tireless intern doing all the boring formatting while you kick back and sip your coffee. The sheer volume of daily tasks this AI can knock out in seconds is mind-boggling. It can instantly clean messy raw data, like finding and removing all those annoying blank cells without you having to filter them manually. It auto-generates complex formulas based purely on plain English instructions. Say you have a workbook with dozens of tabs. You just ask it to create a hyperlinked index sheet and it maps out the entire workbook instantly. And honestly, one of the most impressive things, it can draft personalized bulk emails directly inside the spreadsheet. Let me give you a super specific example here. Imagine you've got a spreadsheet of students enrolled in different courses, Power BI, GSD, and Tally courses. By just selecting that data and asking Claude to write an email for every person, the AI actually reads the spreadsheet, recognizes the different courses, and checks the payment status column. Then it automatically generates a brand new column filled with customized emails for each student. If their fee is pending, it writes a polite payment reminder specific to their course. If they've already paid, it writes a nice thank you note. It does all this customized rating instantly. No complex mail merge logic required. All right, on to Section 3. Effortless financial reconciliations. We are stepping into major pain point territory now for you finance professionals, the heavy lifting of financial reconciliations. If you've ever had to stare cross-eyed at 2 different monitors trying to match rows, pay close attention. To match a company's bank book against their bank statement, you don't need a single if statement. No VLOOKUPs. Just highlight both sheets and type this exact, wonderfully simple prompt. Prepare a reconciliation statement of these 2 sheets. Yep. That is all it takes. And what happens next is just phenomenal. Claude processes both datasets and spits out a completely new formatted reconciliation statement. It instantly calculates the book balance, the bank balance, and the net difference. But more importantly, it immediately flags the variances. It can isolate, let's say, 40 unmatched entries just like that. It details exactly what the differences are and where they occurred, which completely eliminates the need for manual, line-by-line checking. It even throws in some conditional formatting to highlight those discrepancies in red. And this brilliantly illustrates just how deep the AI's analysis goes. Way beyond just matching numbers. Claude can categorize expense reports month over month. When you ask it to identify the highest expense category, Claude doesn't just give you a summary table, it creates visual charts. It immediately flags travel as the massive cost driver, taking up 37.1% of the total budget. It can even handle complex budget versus actual analyses. With a single prompt, Claude instantly identifies and categorizes department spending against the actual budget. It hands you a clean report showing that, hey, IT and admin are running over budget, while accounts, sales, and HR are safely under budget. It provides the exact variance amounts and, get this, even gives qualitative remarks on the financial health of each department. Crazy, right? Now for Section 4, Building Instant Data Dashboards. We've reached the absolute climax of today's explainer. This is where Claude really transitions into a high-level analyst, building executive-level insights from messy, raw data. Raw, completely unstructured e-commerce data gets transformed into a beautifully formatted executive dashboard. And the best part? You don't even need to know how to build pivot tables anymore. You don't need to know how to insert or link complex charts. Claude handles the entire visual dashboard creation just by you typing "complete dashboard" with explanatory notes. For instance, the AI extracts really specific insights from the raw sales data. Things like a city-wide sales breakdown comparing performance across Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. It doesn't just spit out the numbers. It automatically creates bar charts, arranges them neatly on a brand new dashboard sheet, and places summary cards right at the top displaying total revenue and average order values. But here's the crucial takeaway. Claude doesn't just make things look pretty. It actually does the logical thinking behind the scenes. Feed it inventory data, and without you writing a single if formula, Claude analyzes the stock levels against reorder levels and instantly highlights what needs to be ordered right now. Same thing with a client database. It calculates dates and generates a list of specific clients that need follow-up calls within the next 7 days. It handles the logic, the calculations, the formatting. It basically just alerts you to the critical business needs. And finally, Section 5, Working Smarter with AI. So let's bring all this together. We are witnessing a massive, fundamental shift in how we interact with our daily work. Just take a step back and look at the sheer versatility we've covered today from this one single tool. It reconciles complex GSTR2B and bank books. It calculates net payroll, bonuses, and deductions across whole departments. It instantly identifies budget variances. It logically alerts you on inventory reorders, and it builds boardroom-ready executive dashboards from raw, messy data. The compounding value of being able to do all this using just simple conversational English, it's truly awe-inspiring. So I want to leave you with a provocative question based on everything we've explored today. If you stop wrestling with formulas, stop hunting for missing decimal points in your reconciliations, and just let Claude handle the manual heavy lifting, how many hours will you save tomorrow? It's time to open up Excel and let AI make you a smarter, faster, and much more strategic worker. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you on the next one.